This is one of those Arkansas properties where the first thing you notice isn't the house, it's the view through the windows. As you arrive, the setting immediately feels open and quiet. You're surrounded by a mix of pastureland, natural trees, and rolling rural landscape that stretches out in every direction. It's the kind of place where the land itself becomes part of the experience before you even step inside. Built in 2009, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath house with approximately 1,616 square feet of living space, sitting on about 2.29 acres in Arkansas. Inside, the layout is designed around an open main living area that brings everything together in one connected space. The moment you enter, your attention is drawn straight to the living room wall of windows. It's not just a design feature, it completely changes how the house feels, filling the interior with natural light and constant views of the surrounding countryside. The ceilings are elevated, and natural wood accents run through the space, giving it a warm but open feel. Instead of feeling boxed in, the house feels like it's constantly connected to the land outside. The kitchen and dining areas sit within the same open flow, making the central living space feel functional and easy to use for daily life or hosting. The bedrooms are arranged in a practical layout, giving separation from the main living space, while the 2 bathrooms support both family use and guest convenience. What really adds value to this property is the land it sits on. The 2.29 acres offer a mix of open ground, mature trees, and natural vegetation, creating a rural setting with a strong sense of privacy. You're also not far from outdoor recreation, with river access and ATV trail systems within driving distance. That adds a second layer to the property, making it not just a house, but a base for outdoor lifestyle use. This Arkansas property stands out because it doesn't rely on size or luxury finishes. It relies on something harder to build: views, land, and a setting that feels naturally open.